Thank you for shopping with Red River Chevrolet, and we'd like to tell you a little bit more about this vehicle that comes equipped with chrome bumpers, 4-speaker audio system, side airbags, CD player, anti-lock braking, tilt steering wheel, 4-wheel independent suspension, automatic headlights, front and rear anti-roll bars, rear step bumper, and much more. Since its founding in 1931, Red River Chevrolet has been a cornerstone in our community, serving generations of customers. We go out of our way to find the best people in the industry to provide world-class service and deliver the best purchasing and owning experience for all of our guests. So come see us today and see why so many happy drivers choose Red River Chevrolet, where we've been making car buying fun since 1931.